Tangem Wallet versus Arculus. So Tangem Wallet is a good platform. It offers top-tier security hardware, audited firmware, and open source app, which is confirming with no backdoors, mobile app open source for transparency. It also has seedless and durable design, which works without seed braces using NFC smart cards, which is also highly durable and environment and resistant with no batteries. It also has no firmware updates, so the firmware is immutable post-manufacture to eliminate risk of malicious updates. However, the downside is it can be blinding with the signing via the app. It lacks a screen, which means you must trust the mobile app interface. It is also closed source firmware and manufacturing concerns. They only have a mobile only interface, so there's no desktop support, and they have a rare app logging vulnerability. Now, Arculus Watt, on the other hand, has a strong multi-factor authentication, uses a metal keycard with a CCEAL6 plus secure element. It also has a broad crypto support and NFC convenience, so it supports a wide range of assets with tap to transact NFC ease. It also has non-custodial and no recovery phrases stored, so you retain your keys and doesn't store or share your recovery phrase. However, the cons is though, it can be blind signing vulnerability like Tangem, it lacks a screen, you must trust the app displays, which could be manipulated with malware. It is also a closed source app, and the app is proprietary, limiting transparency and community audit, and they have a higher cost, which is around $99 for a single card compared to Tangem's more budget-friendly multi-card sets. So overall, both Tangem and Arculus offers strong hardware level security via secure elements and NFC-based cold storage, but they both share the blind signing risk due to lack of on-device transaction displays. So Tangem is one of the safest, seedless, budget-friendly, and highly audited options, while Arculus adds three-factor authentication with biometric plus PIN plus card, which may appeal if you prefer layered app protection combined with hardware security.